SPRSUN, your global partner in smart heating and cooling solutions. Founded in 1999, SPRSUN is a national-level high-tech enterprise based in Guangzhou, China. We focus on providing smart, energy-saving heat pump systems to global markets. From R290 DC inverter heat pumps to multifunctional systems for heating, cooling, and hot water, SPRSUN offers a full range of ERP A+++ certified solutions for homes, pools, and commercial spaces. SPRSUN's smart control system enables remote operation via mobile app and PC. Our dealers also provide real-time diagnostics and support through cloud-based monitoring. All products undergo 5 strict QC processes and are tested in TV-certified labs simulating temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius system to 50 degrees Celsius system to ensure durability and performance. Our heat pumps are certified with CE, ERP A+++, ISO 9001, key mark, and N14511, meeting the highest international standards in energy efficiency, quality, and safety. We partner with world-class brands like Panasonic, Carrier, and Grundfos, using high-end components to deliver reliable, efficient performance. Our 2 manufacturing bases, including a new 80,000 平米 smart factory, ensure monthly output of over 3,000 units with robotic assembly and centralized process control. From product logo and appearance to technical specs and enclosure materials, we offer full range OEM and ODM customization services. Our heat pump systems have been installed in villas, hotels, pools, schools, and commercial buildings worldwide, delivering consistent comfort and energy savings solution for hot water, heating and cooling, Europe, Australia, South America, Asian countries. Through global exhibitions and international partnerships, SPRSUN is proud to connect with over 300 distributors and OEM clients across 60 countries. As SPRSUN, we empower our partners with multilingual marketing tools, co-branded assets, and seasonal campaigns tailored to local market needs. Each year, we invest in global advertising to boost brand visibility and drive demand. We provide complete sales kits including catalogs, flyers, product images, and email templates to help partners grow with confidence. Our distributor management policy is clear and reliable, ensuring mutual benefits through solid long-term collaboration. Technical support. SPRSUN offers a 36-month warranty, plus lifelong maintenance support even after the warranty ends with only minimal fees. We provide tailor-made solutions based on real-world problems, as well as professional technical training for your team. Whether online, on-site, or remote, our global support is always within reach. At the heart of SPRSUN is a team of passionate engineers, sales specialists, and service staff committed to customer satisfaction. SPRSUN, creating a comfortable life through innovation. Contact us today to start your custom heat pump solution.